What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I got a new site for y'all. It's New Money Maker Mondays. It's called Cinchbucks. Click on the link in the description. It'll take you right to the site. This is the home page. The home page takes you right to Peanut Labs, and the Peanut Labs is one thing that I like to do. I like to get involved with this site because Peanut Labs is always one of those survey providers where the surveys are quick, the surveys are easy, and they pay out immediately like a lot of surveys do. But I just have a lot of success with Peanut Labs, so I really grind it out on this site with Peanut Labs. Another thing I do is I go up here, I click on CB surveys. They have their own surveys. You see here, you can do your surveys. They have Peanut Labs again, and you can kind of scroll down and see the more surveys they have. They have lots of surveys. Your surveys, and you see how they're not taking a long time. Like, they don't have any on here that'll take more than 20 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like I tell you all the time, it's like, it just really depends on how fast you are answering questions. You can get a lot of these surveys done quicker than that. All right. So when I'm done with that, just going doing all of these, you know what I'm saying? Look, 3 minutes, I'll get 22 Cinchbucks. And, every, I believe on this site, it is, every Cinchbuck is a penny. So that's 22 cents right there. All right. So I'll go over here to surveys, and there's also more surveys. Again, they don't take that long. You see here, 10 minutes, 88, 11, 396, you know what I'm saying? 369, you know what I'm saying? They don't take a lot of time. And that's mainly because this is a site that a lot of people don't know about. You know what I'm saying? You see here, I'm scrolling so many different surveys you can do, and all of them are quick and easy, y'all. Very quick and easy. I've cashed out in this site a few times. Like I said, it's not very popular, so a lot of people don't know about it, but I want to bring it to your attention because I want you guys to actually add it into your routine. That was a big one I saw down there. Let me show you that one real quick. Just show you, the kind of money you can make with this site. It was 222 for 10 minutes. I think I saw one that was more than that, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, going back up. No, that was it. I just thought I saw like one that was worth $6 or something like that. But the thing is, on this site, look at the surveys. Again, it's just, they're very quick, very easy. So do as many of those as you can. You know what I'm saying? It does not take a long time because it shows you the time. You just click on the link, take me to the survey, and you'll do that survey just like that. Simple. You see here, I have 15 cents. Like I said, I cashed out on this site probably like 2 weeks ago. And I'm going to show you what you can get as far as your rewards. I go over here to redeem rewards. And you see here, they have all these different gift cards you can get. Right here they have PayPal, they have Amazon. Click on PayPal real quick just to show you. Let it load up. And click on it again to show. Let me see. Click on cart right here, and it will show you over here the value: $10, $1,000, $20, $20, $2,000. You know what I'm saying? So every Cinchbuck is a point. And you can cash out at a minimum of $10 with PayPal. All right. They also have other ones that I can show you. Just going back to that real quick. Let me go back. So you got Amazon over here. If you wanted to see what they're worth, you just click on the cart, and bam, same thing. So this site really has a minimum of $10 to cash out. Really, depending on what gift cards you get. I know Amazon and PayPal, those are really popular ones that everybody loves, but $10 is not hard to get. I showed you the surveys, how quick they are. You know what I'm saying? Just, that's what you got to do. You know what I'm saying? Bang out these surveys. That's what I mainly focus on, these surveys. On this site is over here in the surveys, and then Peanut Labs. I just really bang those two out, and that allows me to cash out, fairly quick. At the very least once a week with this site. You know what I'm saying? Because I have so many sites that I use, but you know what I'm saying? That's what I do on this site. Just mainly focus on surveys. I do an offer here and there. You click over here on offer wall. It'll show you some of the offers that they have. Again, that's just at the top. Offer turbo, send videos, things like that. Just try to do as many as you can. Like I said, the routine I have on here is doing the surveys, looking at Peanut Labs, and then trying to go through and see if I can find an offer that I haven't already completed. Or something like that. And you see here, you click a minimum of 25 coupons, you'll get 21 cents. You know what I'm saying? And you can do that. Look, can complete it again every day. So that's something you can do every single day. just finding out what works for you, your routine. But I like to show you guys my routine because my routine usually works, and I've had a lot of success with it. So I believe you will have the same if you just put in the work. That's all what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, anybody can do this. It's all about putting in the effort and putting in the time. So that's all I want you guys to do. Just focus on the surveys. Again, just grind it out. Do us offer here too, and make money with it. Cash out, PayPal, Amazon, other different gift cards. But that's what it is for this site. Like I said, the link will be in the description. Sign up today. And just start grinding out. Start putting money in your bank account. Start putting money in your pocket so you can be able to do things. Another site that I want you guys to add into your routine. And the more sites you add into your routine, the more money you will make, to the point where you're making lots of money. Like you're making anywhere between $50 to $100 a day. That's what I'm making right now. Just because I have so many sites, so many different apps, and so many different ways to make money that I'm combining them all, and it's putting good money in my pocket. So I want you guys to do the same thing. Just follow all my tutorials, all my videos. Do exactly what I'm telling you, and it will work. You will have the same exact success, because people all the time, they ask me, how much am I making? And I'm telling them anywhere between $50 to $100 a day, because I'm putting in the work. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about. Just putting in the work, putting in the effort, and just grinding out. So that's it for this video. You can sign up with the link in the description so you can get that bonus, so they can throw you more surveys, so they can give you offers, all that kind of good stuff, and just take off. All right. So if you're new to my channel, I want you to subscribe, all that good stuff, like, share, comment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up. I'm always here for y'all. I'm just helping you just make more money. So again, you see here, Cinchbucks. Gotta sign up with it today. Click on the link in the description, create your account, and start making money with it. All right. And always remember, every penny counts.